Did you know that in April, Las Vegas transforms into a floral wonderland, with the surrounding desert bursting into rare wildflower blooms that paint the arid landscape in vibrant pinks and yellows? A spectacle that draws photographers from around the world, but remains one of the city's best-kept secrets. Envision the Strip alive with a fresh buzz, the sun casting a golden glow on towering fountains and neon signs, while a gentle breeze carries the scent of blooming creosote bushes from the nearby Mojave. Las Vegas in April exudes a unique atmosphere of renewal, where the winter chill fades into comfortable days averaging around 75 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for wandering without the summer's intense heat. It's that transitional magic hour for the city, blending the energy of emerging pool parties with the calm of off-peak exploration, making it feel like you've unlocked a more intimate side of Sin City. Yet, a common misconception trips up many travelers, assuming Las Vegas is perpetually scorching or overwhelmingly crowded year-round, leading them to pack heavy coats or avoid April thinking it's still wintry. In truth, April brings its own complexities, like occasional windy days that can stir up dust, or sudden event-driven crowds from conventions that spike hotel prices unexpectedly. Overlooking these can turn a dream trip into a dusty hassle or budget buster. But understanding the nuances, like booking ahead for major gatherings, turns potential pitfalls into opportunities for savvy adventures. Let's peel back the layers of this desert gem, starting with its rich history that pulses beneath the glitz. Founded in 1905 as a humble railroad stop amid the harsh Mojave, Las Vegas boomed in the 1930s with the Hoover Dam's construction, drawing workers who sparked the first casinos. By the 1950s, it was the playground of stars like Elvis Presley, who married Priscilla here in 1967, embedding romance into its DNA. April amplifies this historical vibe with events honoring the past, like the Viva Las Vegas Rockabilly Weekend, where vintage cars cruise Fremont Street and swing dancers in polka dot dresses transport you to the Rat Pack era. Feel the smooth leather of a classic convertible as you drive past the Neon Museum, where restored signs from old casinos flicker like ghosts of glamour, their metallic tang mixing with the warm April air. Sensory immersion defines April visits. Stroll the Strip at dusk, the Bellagio fountains erupting in synchronized sprays that mist your face with cool water, synchronized to upbeat tunes that echo off palm-lined paths. The aroma of sizzling street food wafts from vendors. Try the fusion tacos at Tacos El Gordo, where juicy carne asada meets tangy salsa, a nod to the city's growing Mexican influences from immigrant communities that have shaped its culinary scene since the 1980s. For a deeper dive, venture to the Arts District, where murals splash color on brick walls and breweries like Hop Nuts pour crisp IPAs with hints of citrus, perfect for sipping under string lights as live jazz fills the evening. Local customs shine here. Vegans embrace second Saturday markets, haggling over handmade crafts while sampling vegan empanadas, a tradition rooted in the city's bohemian underbelly that contrasts the Strip's excess. Nature calls loudly in April, with Red Rock Canyon's sandstone cliffs glowing rusty red under clear skies, trails crunching underfoot as you hike amid blooming Joshua trees, whose waxy petals release a subtle vanilla scent. This conservation area, established in 1990, offers a serene escape from urban chaos, where bighorn sheep might graze nearby, reminding you of the desert's resilient wildlife adapted over millennia. Practical tips abound. Rent a car for the 20-minute drive, pack sunscreen and water since winds can dehydrate quickly, and go early to beat the mild crowds. April's 10 hours of daylight make dawn hikes magical. Back in town, cuisine evolves with seasonal flair. At Esther's Kitchen in the Arts District, handmade pasta with spring peas and mint reflect Italian roots brought by early 20th century immigrants, the al dente texture popping with fresh herbal notes. Customs extend to wellness rituals, like yoga sessions at the Cosmopolitan's rooftop pool, where the sun warms your skin as you stretch overlooking the Eiffel Tower replica at Paris, Las Vegas. History buffs can tour the Mob Museum, delving into the 1920s Prohibition era that fueled underground speakeasies, now echoed in craft cocktail bars like the Laundry Room, hidden behind a secret door at Commonwealth, where bartenders mix gin with elderflower, evoking floral spring evenings. The pinnacle unfolds on a clear April night in the Valley of Fire State Park, an hour's drive northeast. As the sun dips, ancient petroglyphs etched by Anasazi peoples 2,000 years ago come alive in fiery hues, the rock formations radiating warmth from the day's sun. I once led a small group here during a spontaneous road trip, and as stars emerged overhead, unobstructed by city lights, one traveler whispered how the silence healed her urban burnout. That golden moment, blending prehistoric art with modern escape, captures Las Vegas's essence, a place where extravagance meets raw beauty, urging you to rediscover wonder. Ultimately, April in Las Vegas molds you into a more adventurous soul, teaching the art of balancing thrill with tranquility, history with hedonism, leaving you inspired to chase horizons beyond the neon. What's your dream April activity in Las Vegas? Hiking Red Rock or dancing at a pool party?